Hello there, my friends. So I am transferring a bunch of files from a micro SD card to a portable hard drive, and this is going to take some time, so another hour and 45 minutes. So what if my computer times out during that process? I don't want that to happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Start menu. I'm going to pull up the Settings tab. For some reason it looks like OBS doesn't want to show that. Let's see. What if I go like this? I can right click on the desktop, go to display settings. Alright, there you go, display settings. Now I go down to the menu on the left and I look for power and sleep. Click on that. And here's a drop-down menu where you can see you can set your display to go off anytime from never to 1 minute. Anything in between, I have mine set for 10 minutes. And sleep, when plugged in, PC goes to sleep after, and I usually have it set around 30 minutes, 45 minutes, something like that. But right now I'm going to set it for 3 hours, so that there's plenty of time for the files to transfer. And then if I fall asleep while they're doing that, my computer will go off and I won't be wasting power. And of course you can set it for never if you have a computer that has to be on all the time. Now I don't know why it's 1 minute for inactivity. If you know why, you would have a reason to do that, to set it for 1 minute of inactivity to go off. Let me know in the comments, because I'd love to hear a scenario where that would be desirable. All right, now you can back out of there and keep on doing what you were doing. So hope you guys have a great day. Smash like for me, that helps me, and subscribe to the channel. Take care. See you on the next one.